This video is in partnership with National 4-H Council. I received a complimentary Code Your World kit in compensation, but all opinions are my own. Hi everyone, it's Laura from Day by Day in Our World, and today we're going to look a little bit at one of the activities of from the Code Your World kit that 4-H is promoting and see how your kids can be actively learning within the field of STEM topics.
Cheated and lost.
Nothing needs rock.
Tie. Good. Tie. I lose. Tie. I lose. I win.
No!
Rock.
It was paper.
It was 4. That's rock. 3. That's scissors.
And I did rock.
Go. Rock. Tie.
Okay, so answer me this. Do you think it's easier to play rock, paper, scissors against another person or against the AI?
AI.
Why?
Because it's better than having another person in my face.
Oh. Which one do you think you win more often?
AI.
Because?
It's easier. You could choose the difficulty.
How many options are there in rock, paper, scissors?
3.
And they're what?
Rock, paper, and scissors.
And how many options can you get on that dice?
3. Rock, paper, scissors.
Well, the dice has how many sides?
6.
6 sides, but we have how many things for each one?
1 or 4 is rock. 2 or 5 is paper. 3 or 6 is scissors.
So we have, it makes it 3 choices, so it makes it even, right? Okay.
Rock.
Rock.
Rock. Paper.
Dominic has to,
I got
No.
scissors.
Did
Yeah.
you roll it again?
you roll it once, and if
And
you
then
get that
if you
side,
that,
you have
then
to roll it
to
again.
get paper or scissors. So you got
Scissors.
scissors. Rock.